Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup for dogs updated. Start by gathering boneless chicken, low-sodium broth, egg noodles, carrots, and peas. Chop vegetables into small, dog-friendly pieces and rinse noodles. Keep herbs minimal. Use a pinch of parsley for fresh breath. Avoid onion, garlic, and excessive salt. This recipe focuses on gentle flavors and simple steps to make a comforting, nutritious meal your dog will enjoy. Bring broth and water to a gentle simmer and add chicken in one layer to cook evenly. Simmer until the chicken is tender and easily shreddable, then remove and shred into bite-sized pieces. Return shredded chicken to the pot, add egg noodles and diced carrots and peas, and simmer until noodles and vegetables are soft. Taste cautiously for seasoning. Never add salt or unsafe ingredients. Cool thoroughly before serving to protect your dog's mouth. Spoon a small sample onto a spoon to ensure the soup is warm, not hot, before offering it to your dog. Store cooled leftovers in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 3 days, or freeze single portions for future meals. When reheating frozen soup, thaw safely and warm gently on low heat, stirring and adding a splash of water if it thickens. Monitor your dog the first time to check for any sensitivities or reactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.